What's good, y'all? Today we're going to learn how to play Feel Away by Kaytranada featuring Toliver. And here's a little preview of what it's going to sound like. I feel away, you looking for another. I really ain't been myself, sometimes just seeing each other. I'm caught up in my ways, I'm caught up undercover. It really ain't been that long since I've been called you my love. So as you can see, I have a capo here on the 5th fret. Everything that I teach is relative to the capo. There's 3 chords that you're going to need to know, which is a C major 7, B minor 7, and E7. Okay? And here is how you play the chords. First chord is a C major 7. And so I'm playing it on the 3rd fret. So I'm barring the 3rd fret and I'm putting my fingers on the 4th fret of the G string and the 5th fret of the D and the B string. It's going to sound like this. Okay, now you could also play an open C major 7 chord if you want to. I prefer playing it up on the 3rd fret because it's a little bit different of a sound. But if you want to play an open chord, if it's easier for you, then we're going to put our fingers on the 2nd fret of the D string and the 3rd fret of the A string. It's going to sound like this. All right. And the 2nd chord is a B minor 7, so we're going to bar the 2nd fret. We're going to put our finger on the 3rd fret of the B string and the 4th fret of the D string. It's going to sound like this. And the final chord is an E minor 7, so we're going to put our finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Okay, so in terms of a 4 count, it'll be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I feel away. Okay. Now in terms of the strumming pattern, really, I feel like it's a more laid-back, chill song. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just strumming it once and I'm going down the neck. But you could do it however you want to. I mean, you could even just pluck it if you want to. Okay, something like that. Really mess around with it. Whatever feels like suits you best, then go ahead and go with that. But that is how you play the song. Alright, y'all, so that is it for this tutorial. I appreciate you tapping in. I hope it added value to you and it helped you out. And if it did, please go ahead and comment down below. Like this video and share it with somebody that wants to learn this song. And also, if you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and checking out some of my other tutorials that I have on here. I would definitely appreciate it. It does help spread awareness of these tutorials. Right about now, there's going to be some more tutorials that are going to pop up on the screen. Feel free to check any of these out, and I'll see you guys on the next one.